welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Alexis, and today I'm going to be helping all you people who are on the go achieve a nice little quick, and I mean quick, makeup look. It's going to be really easy to achieve and not even that many steps. So if any of that holds your interest, let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm actually going to time this. I think this will only take like 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to time how long it takes me to do it, including me like talking through it and everything. So I'm going to use my stopwatch on my phone and let's begin, shall we? First, when my skin is actually looking not bad, I don't go in with foundation on an everyday basis. So I basically just use concealer to go underneath my eyes and just wherever is a little uneven for me. So I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Deep Sand is the one I have. And I'm literally just going to put that underneath my eyes. Not even a lot. And I'm going to put that on my Cupid's bow, the tip of my nose, my chin, and a little bit on my forehead, just to do a little bit of extra highlighting. And then I'm going to go in with my Morphe blending sponge and blend that out. Also taking some of the concealer that's under my eyes, and I'm going to put that on my eyelid because I have really dark and veiny eyelids, so I'm just going to do that to cancel out anything. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in with a spoolie, and I'm just going to comb through my eyebrows. I really don't fill in my eyebrows unless they like are super grown out and they need to be evened or anything. So just brushing out my eyebrows, and then I'm going to go in with a clear brow gel and I'm going to put that on my eyebrows. My eyebrows always just, they're definitely sisters, not twins. Now that I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm just going to go ahead and do my eyes. The eyes are going to be super simple. I'm using the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, and if I can open it, there. And I'm literally just taking a big dome brush like this. This is the Morphe 173. And I'm taking this dark shadow right here. And I'm literally just going to put that all over my eye, in the crease and on the lid. And it just makes it easier and a little bit faster because it's such a big brush. You really don't have to do much work. Okay, and literally that's all for that. And then just to brighten my eyes up, I'm going to go in with the smaller brush and take this gold shade. And this brush is the Morphe M124. And I'm just going to put that on my inner corner to brighten it up, and a little bit on the inner third of my lid. And kind of just blend those. So now it's just like a little shimmer over the deeper brown. Literally, that's it for the eyeshadow. So now I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline Unstoppable Eyeliner, and I'm going to line my waterline only halfway. So I'm going to stop where my pupil is. Next, I'm going to go in with my Stila Stay All Day waterproof eyeliner and do a small wing. After the liner is done, I am going to take the Benefit They're Real mascara and run that on my top and bottom lashes. So now I'm going in with the Becca, Khloe, and Malika BFF palette, and this one is Made with Love by Malika, and this is what it looks like. It's really, really pretty, and this one's just better suited for brown skin girls like myself. I'm just gonna go in with this big fluffy brush. It's the Morphe M527 with this bronze shade called Bestie Bronze, and I'm literally just going to just add a little, and then I'm going to take this little brush, this angled brush. It's a Morphe M405, and I'm gonna go in with this blush right here. It's called Make Me Blush. It's a beautiful like mauve pink purple, and I'm going to add blush to the apples of my cheeks, and then I'm also going to do across my nose. Lastly, I'm going to take this shade right here called Dusted. I'm like, the names are on the back of the palette, so if I'm like looking crazy, I need to see over my hand, but it's this one. Oops. It's this one, and it's called Dusted, and I'm going to obviously highlight my face, and I like to go on the high points of my cheeks. Like, yes, my nose, and my cupid's bow. Alright, so we're basically almost done now. And lastly, I'm just going to go in for my lips. I'm taking Kylie Cosmetics. This is the Velvet Liquid Lip, and this is in the shade Shook. And now we're done. That literally took me 13 minutes and 30 seconds, and I was talking through the entire thing. So realistically, if I was just sitting here doing it all, it would have definitely taken me between 5 and 10 minutes. Now, if you are having a bad skin day, or you don't have the best skin and you don't feel comfortable with just wearing concealer, that's fine. Throw on some foundation. That'll only tackle like maybe a minute and a half to a time. Like I said, I could get this done definitely between 5 and 10 minutes. So tacking on one extra step won't make your whole entire routine, well, won't make this whole entire routine like 20 minutes long. So yeah, this is literally it. It's just fresh face. And when I do like something plain with my eyes or just something simple, I always like to do something noticeable on the lips. You could opt not to do anything on the lips and just throw on chapstick, perfectly fine. You can tailor this however you want to. So with all that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got it done under 15 minutes. You can too. So if you want to keep up with me when I'm not here on YouTube, please feel free to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I will have my handles in the description box down below. Also, if you would like to subscribe, join our crazy little family here. Over here on this side, we keep it cute, confident, but we're also a little bit crazy, because the crazy is what makes you unique. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look and this video, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.